We have a practice that's committed to individualized private care for patients. Your appointment here is your appointment. It's no one else's. You have our 100% undivided attention.
The moment I walked in, I saw it was a cosmetic dental office, and it's just been great ever since, and that's the reason I came here, to improve my smile, to improve my confidence, and just to feel better about myself, and Dr. Varipapa has done nothing but made me do that.
I had a lot of decay in my mouth. I wasn't really happy with my smile. I didn't even like to smile very much. Dr. Varipapa is so good with making sure you have no pain during any of the procedures. Since I've had the work done with Dr. Varipapa, it makes me feel like a new person. I look in the mirror every day and I love the results.
One day I happened to be eating something and I noticed that my teeth at the bottom didn't feel right. And I went to him, I said, look, I think my teeth are wearing out. Since the work has been done, I have much more confidence when I face people and I talk, because I'm so aware of my teeth are so much nicer now than they were. So I was very happy to have the veneers done.
He wants to help, and he wants to make your life better. And he does a phenomenal job at that. He figures out what the issue is, what the problems are, and then he figures out how to repair it, fix it, replace it, whatever needs to be done. And then he works with you in the process to make you happy. And happy is, physical health, it's the mental health, just being able to smile, it's the whole package.
He's very genuine, very professional. He listens to you of what you want, not what he wants. He was very gentle. I was very nervous to get my teeth done. The whole environment, everything was it just felt perfect.
What we try to do is to really communicate with patients so that they have a deep understanding of what their current condition is, so that they can make choices that will help them keep their teeth for a lifetime.